How to access TikTok Shop. So if you want to access TikTok Shop, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and here you will have an option of creator tools. But if you don't have that option right here, then go with settings and privacy, and here you may have an option of creator tools. So simply search for the creator tools. But if you again don't see the option, then you just need to simply go with the account and switch to a business account. Tap on next and continue to a business account. Now once you've switched your account to a business account, go with the upper right, which has that three bar, and here you will have settings and privacy. Tap on that and then scroll down and go with creator tools, or you can go with TikTok Studio. It's the same thing. And here you will have an option of TikTok Shop. You just need to simply go with that and you'll be able to access your TikTok Shop. But remember that if you don't have more than 1,000 followers on your TikTok, then you won't be able to access your TikTok Shop. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.